How do I get materials not owned by the McGill Library?
McGill students and staff may order articles and books that are not owned at McGill Library by using the Interlibrary Loan Service, ILL, called Columbo. To request an interlibrary loan, visit the Login to Columbo page on the library's website. Log into Columbo using your McGill username and password. Choose Advanced Search, type the book or journal title in quotes, and click Search. On the results screen, click Get It, and add article or chapter details if relevant. Select a pickup location at the bottom of the web page. Click on the Request button. You will see a confirmation message. Remember to sign out of Columbo. Please do not delay in placing your ILL request. During the busy weeks of term, journal articles may take more than a week to arrive, and books may take 1 to 2 weeks or longer. For help requesting an interlibrary loan, ask a library staff member or contact ILL. Remember to visit our website or follow us for latest news, announcements, and events. Thank you for watching.